In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the OpenTable reservation system. If you want to book a table quickly and easily, OpenTable is a convenient tool that helps you find restaurants, check availability, and make a reservation in just a few minutes. Whether you're planning dinner for yourself, a date night, or a meal with friends or family, the process is simple once you know where to look. To get started, open the OpenTable app on your phone or go to the OpenTable website in your browser. Once you're on the main screen, look for the search bar. This is where you'll begin finding the restaurant you want to book. You can type in the name of a specific restaurant if you already know where you'd like to go, or you can enter a location if you want to browse options in a certain area. After entering your search, review the results and tap on the restaurant profile that matches what you're looking for. Opening the restaurant profile gives you a closer look at the listing and takes you to the reservation section. From there, you can begin selecting the details for your booking. Choose the date you want to dine, then select the time that works best for you. After that, set the party size so the restaurant knows how many guests will be attending. These details are important because availability can change depending on the day, time, and number of people in your group. Once everything is entered, tap Find a Table to see what reservation options are available. The system will show you the available time slots for that restaurant based on the details you selected. Pick the time slot that best fits your schedule, then tap Reserve to move forward with the booking. At this stage, OpenTable will ask for your guest details so the restaurant can hold and manage your reservation properly. Enter the requested information, including your name, phone number, and email address, then review everything carefully before completing the final step. It's always a good idea to double-check the date, time, party size, and restaurant name to avoid any mistakes. Once everything looks correct, confirm the booking. After you confirm, your reservation will be submitted and you should receive a confirmation through the app or website. That's it. You've successfully booked a table using OpenTable. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process again anytime you want to reserve a table at another restaurant.